Good morning. So today I'm going to be moving that pile of rocks right there, trying to build a path right there. So my wife has been asking me for months to do something with those rocks, and for some reason I had the motivation today to do something with these rocks right here. So that's the goal today. So wish me luck. So headed to Lowe's to get some more pea gravel.
because when you saw the rocks outside of that fence, there's more rocks, but I need some more pea gravel to mix with the rocks, if that makes sense. I'll show you, but so that's what I'm gonna do. And again, I'm new at this. This is like practice for me, so yeah. But it's a good day. Beautiful day here in Texas. Look at that day. Beautiful day. So these are the pea gravel bags I'm going to use to fill in that spot there, all down there, and in there. And I'm going to readjust this drainage pipe which goes to that drain there. So I'll do my best to try to let you know how that happens. But here's the path that we did this morning. Still think it looks pretty good. So here's the finished product from adding the gravel. Looks pretty good. Made my wife happy, and so that's always a good thing. Thanks for watching.